This is a copper bowl, and this is what I'm going to use in the kitchenette. And I'm going to start drilling it with this, which is I think that's about 1.5 inches at the wide end. So I don't know what kind of piping I'm going to use. I've got this stuff over here. I think this, I don't know if that'll be wide enough. I'll have to see if it'll work or not. Copper pole, which I drilled a hole in, and it's hooked up below, and there's the trap. I don't have the rest of it hooked up yet, but I will. And this is the pipe that I'm going to be installing in here. I need to make a bigger hole. I'll go in there, and I will hook this piece into here, and then that'll all get dropped into the hole, into that hole back there. And hook the pecs up to it, you know, to this. It's 1/2 inch. Secure it, I think, from underneath somehow. Once it's through that hole, put a block of wood to really secure it so it doesn't wiggle around like this, but I think it hangs over enough. Might have it tip back a little bit, or maybe leave it tip back, or leave it like that. I don't know, but I like it. I like this look. It's galvanized. This hole, I don't know, I think there was a ring around it at one time. I'm going to paint that with copper. I just caulked it. I'm going to paint it with copper. If that doesn't hold up, I'll kick it out, do it again, and put epoxy with copper powder in it to fill it so it looks better. I may do that anyway. And this was left blue. This is just tape to keep this clean when I put caulk around it. In fact, right now I'm going to put some clear caulk around this because this is raised up and water will pool there. I'm going to try and raise it up a little bit more to make it level with this. This goes down underneath there. This is all going to get covered with something. Not sure what yet. I was going to use that chestnut, but I don't think it's going to be big enough. So I might not do that. I put this olive wood, soaked it. So I added another layer of silicone to come up higher on the edge here. So when I turn on the water, it'll drain. It was a divot and it was leaving water around the exit hole. So I'm hoping that the silicone caulk will remedy that problem. It'll also dry clear, so it'll be good. It's really not difficult to create sinks out of different and unusual things, and I hope this video has helped you see that there are some inherent things you have to think about, like the washer that I shouldn't have put inside of the between the bowl base inside and the top of the drain. The other thing you have to consider is the thickness of your sink. I made a sink out of a piece of wood, a log, and I'll try to remember to add a link to that below. But in that case, I had to really extend and really work hard at making that fit because the drain has to be in there snugly. You don't want leaks. So a few things to consider. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.